Hi, my name is Louie, and today I've got
Damon with Premier RV.
We got a good one today. You know, anything under 100,000 sells pretty quickly around here.
It does.
We get a lot of calls on that lately.
It'll be first come, first serve.
This is a great coach, 2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus.
Yep, 42 QRP.
4 slides. Freightliner chassis.
Freightliner chassis with independent front suspension.
Stacked washer dryer.
Yeah.
King size bed.
10K gen.
Full tile.
Yep. Got it all.
Dishwasher.
Tag axle. Great bang for the buck.
Good bang for the buck. So yeah, we're excited about this coach. It just came in, and we're always looking for inventory. We've been on a run here for a while now.
Yeah.
So we got some spots open. So if you have a pre-owned diesel pusher, we would love to have the opportunity to sell it for you, right?
Absolutely.
So, all right, where do you want to start with this one?
Well, how about the front?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go with the door. Nice door.
Side view cameras. Safety first, pet second. Window in the door, Tiffin.
I don't think it had anything to do with the pet.
Nothing with the pet, just safety.
Yeah.
All right, we got Toyos, 2022, about the middle of 02 or 22. Are the tires all the way around, 8 of them.
They're all 22s?
They're all 22s. We got independent front suspension with a 14.3 axle rating.
Yeah, that's a good thing about independent front suspension. It turns sharp, but it gives you a high GVW for the safety portion of it.
Yeah, a lot higher than a solid axle.
Fuel tank is
150.
150. Wow, I like that.
Yeah, good tank, good size.
Yeah, so that's great. Keyless entry right here also. So these coaches have a lot of features, and we'll try to get as many as we can, but looks like it's got some hydraulic jacks here.
HWH 4-point hydraulic jacks. Yeah, the Allegro Bus is like the Dutch Star. They're both, do a lot, high volume. It's the entry level, low as you can go with a side radiator. So that's where it kind of starts. So it's a very popular motorhome, and the cabinetry is upgraded. The 400 horse versus a 360 9-liter engine, Jake brake. I mean,
yeah, that's a big difference, having an 8.9 liter ISL, 2-stage Jake brake.
So, like you said, great bang for the buck. This is a very popular model.
Great, 150 gallons, that's nice. I like that. So we're gonna have a couple pass-through bays here. This one's not a pass-through, but a little bit of storage here. Because you got the fuel tank on the other side, I bet.
Yep.
We've got a dual directional tray here.
And room for a dual directional here, but they got the plastic bins. Those are great to slide around.
Looks like you got an inverter right there too, huh?
Yeah, Freedom SW.
Is that a 3,000 watt?
2,000.
2,000. Exterior ladder here. There's also in the bag some things for the front windshield covers. They have those magnetic covers, you know.
Yeah, sunscreen, great.
Yeah.
Got a little storage right here. Backing up to the Hydro Hot.
And then on the other side here is going to be your holding tank. So fresh water's 100 or
90.
90.
90 fresh, 70 gray, 46 black.
Okay. Well, you got an electric Carefree awning here.
Yeah, manual window awnings. Saw we had a door awning. Slide toppers.
Yeah.
Good colors on the paint. Nice.
Yeah. Very neutral. We're going to have your house and cranking batteries here. He's put a lot of house batteries in here.
And they're all labeled, So chassis batteries on the right, September 22. And then 6 AGM house batteries, 100 amp hours each, installed in 7 of 21.
Yeah, that's nice.
And I think we got some solar on the roof of this one, don't we, Louie?
One panel.
Okay.
Yeah, well, we went up there earlier, but that'll be part of the video later, I guess.
Great.
Engine access. Again, this is the 400 Cummins.
Hang on, buddy. There you go.
Yeah, that ain't moving.
No.
If it is, we're in trouble. Hitch is rated for
10,000.
10,000.
It's got the standard 7-way Bargeman on the right and a Roadmaster Brakemaster pneumatic connection right here. on the left side of the receiver hitch.
Yeah, no rust, which is good. He's from Portland, Oregon, so looks really good back here.
Yeah, ISL 400 horse, 2-stage Jake brake, Allison 3000 side radiator, so you got good access back here. Really nice.
Yep. Nice awning fabrics here. They look like they're in really good condition.
They are. They're nice and tight.
Yeah. That's for the slide room topper awning fabric. Your favorite spot right here.
The old plumbing bay. Louie, how does that dump work with the sewer hose aimed up in the air like that? Can you explain that to the viewers?
So yeah, I'm having how does that work? Because gravity tells you what? That's going up?
I think it's on a swivel. But somebody was being wise and aimed it the wrong way.
Oh, I've never seen that before, Damon.
Yeah, I was hoping it was going to swivel. Otherwise, you're right, we'd have some problems.
I'm just glad you touched it, not me, so.
I hit it with some Lysol wipes earlier.
Yeah.
Water pump on the right, water filter, and then got a black tank rinse, water hose reel. That's power in.
That'll get you.
Yeah,
Hey.
outside shower.
And here's the shore cord. It's electric also, and the central vac.
Looks like we got a hydro hot hiding behind those two, and the exhaust pipe is right there for it.
Yeah. So hydronic heat, which is nice.
And then opposite side of bay 3.
Good storage though.
Mm-hmm.
We've got another full pass through here.
Opposite side of our dual directional tray. And then we've got our HWH slide out pump, if it ever needed service or access. And propane tank, 24 gallons.
And that's only going to run the cooktop, so that'll last a couple years, huh?
Yep.
And then is this electric or is this just a pull? It's
It is a pull.
for the generator.
And then I got it out. There.
Wow, you're quick. You already had it out. You're way ahead of the game here. We got a 10K with 541 hours.
Nice.
Not a dry camper.
Yeah.
10K is kind of like the 12 where it just doesn't have that noise when you ramp up with
Yeah, it's
running
just
a
a
roof
constant
air.
RPM.
Yeah.
I think 1800 steady.
And that's what these magnets are for, is for the outside sunscreen. So,
Nice large one-piece windshield.
yeah. Nice coach. Nice and
It
clean.
is. Yeah.
The paint is actually in really good condition, even the front.
It looks like it is, and it's the headlights are bright, fog lights.
And
Lot
did we
of
talk
coach.
about mileage? 69,061.
A lot of coach for $99,999, Lou.
2007. So, what do you think? Should we go inside?
Let's go inside.
Thanks. All right, so here's the roof. 3 roof airs, like Damon said, and 1 solar panel, so it's probably 100 watts of solar here. So. All right, Damon, we made it inside. What do you think?
We did. I'm excited. Pretty nice coach.
You know, I think there's a lot of value on this coach, right under 100,000.
Yeah.
Great floor plan. If you know, we're getting a lot more people living in these full time.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the aspects that people are always looking for: king size bed, stacked washer dryer,
Residential fridge, full tile floor,
dishwasher,
dishwasher. Yeah.
and good seating and sleeping. So both of these very long sofas here. This is going to be a magic bed. So these cushions come off and then it comes out and makes it into a nice flat bed.
Pretty comfortable bed.
Yep.
Magic bed.
And then that's a jackknife.
Jackknife over here. Yeah.
But it's all tile too, which is really nice.
It is. Good colors. There's not really any wear showing on the furniture. Cherry wood cabinets, just beautiful. You know, for 100 grand, 42-foot tag axle, dual pane windows, 10K gen, 3 airs. I mean, there is a lot of value in this coach.
Yeah, no, I agree. So, where do you want to start in here?
Well, you covered the sofas.
Yeah.
So the sleep 6. Yeah, a lot of overhead storage on both sides. Kind of what Tiffin's known for.
Yeah. Good sized galley here with lots of storage. We could open up some of these, but lots of counter space. This slides in and out. It must be a 2-burner cooktop here.
I would guess.
Yep. Got that, Jack?
That's kind of nice. You got gas for the cooktop, and that's it. Everything else is electric or diesel.
I think that's cool. And then you're going to have the double stainless sink here. But yeah, really good storage and a lot of depth here.
Mm-hmm. They did a full backsplash behind the kitchen with a window. Got an outlet over there. They call this color espresso.
Is that right? Or did you just make that up?
No, I looked it up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, did your homework. Good job, pal.
Yeah.
I like the dining room table here with a wall module for storage.
Mm-hmm. And again, the carpet looks really good. The binding on the edge isn't all torn up and no wear visible.
This comes out, so we'll have to check, but there's probably 2 folded chairs somewhere around here. A good pantry up here. And I think this is probably just an access panel. But
looks like it's opened on this
because
side.
it's going to come out this way. Some canned goods, spices, whatever you want. Looks like we have some type of solar here. I'll have to look at the roof. See how many solar panels are on here.
Yeah. It's been a while since we've had Jack up on the roof, Lou. I just was thinking of that.
Yeah. No, I think it's better him up there than us, right? Good sized shower. Yeah.
You know, being in 07, your hardware could be brass or pewter, and this is pewter, which is another big plus.
Yeah, and the lighting's what, LED?
Still halogen.
Oh, is it halogen?
Mm-hmm. But the bulbs could be changed pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge bedroom, huh?
Huge bed. Boy, it is a king, but that looks a little bit bigger than a king. What do you think?
There's just a lot of room on each side of the bed and around the front.
Yeah, that's an air bed, so we're going to have some storage underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, good storage back here. I think we missed the stacked washer dryer back there, Jack. We'll show that on the way out. But good wardrobe space here.
You see any folding chairs in that closet, Lou?
I do not. We could always order some. You know, some people don't want to travel with them because they do take space.
A lot of people take them out, leave them in their garage. Yeah, all good deep storage, pillows, blankets above the bed here.
This is an air bed. There's the controllers over there. So, but boy, tons of storage here. Drawers all over the place. So if you're good full-time coach, if you're going to full-time, I guess.
Yeah.
Now they did take out the original TV, and it looks like they have the stationary TV. So if someone wants to do something besides this and have it fixed, that's something we're more than capable of doing.
Are you just being transparent, Lou?
I'm being transparent.
Nice job.
That's what we call the standalone.
It is a standalone. Yeah, that's the only thing the TVs could use a little bit of work.
The good thing is they got rid of the old heavy TV, so they saved your back and the weight of that damn thing, huh?
Yeah, and it's a great area to mount a TV, modify that cabinet, but it'll get it at a nice height, get it off of the countertop.
Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to do it right, I guess you could do a 40-inch TV and maybe cut this cabinet a little bit and
Sure.
make this into one bucket here.
Yeah.
Get rid of this whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Something we do quite a bit. Or nice little hamper area here.
Looks like the owner's manuals are up in the TV opening now.
Yeah, that's a good spot for them. Yeah. Stacked washer dryer jack.
So they made two floor plans, the 42QRP, which is what we're in, and the 42QDP, and that's the difference. The stacked washer dryer moves from the bathroom on a QRP to the bedroom on the QDP. So yeah, this is a QRP, and it's kind of nice having it in the bedroom or the bathroom because you can access it. There's no slides here, where when the slides are in, you're not going to get to that back cabinet.
And now you're just getting more storage here. So
yeah, the whole back's all storage.
Yeah, so that makes good sense.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, really good floor plan.
It's got 3 roof airs with heat pumps. They're all 13.5.
Yeah.
Looks like a couple of fantastic vents, one in the bathroom here and probably another one in the kitchen.
Hydronic heat.
Aqua hot, yep.
So, yeah. It's got all the bells and whistles you expect.
Mm-hmm.
We'll verify the solar here, but it does definitely have some solar on this coach. And I think we could do some updates to this TV. This is a newer TV, but we could clean this up.
Yeah, just clean that up a little bit.
It needs a little trim right there down below, but definitely fixable, huh?
Yeah.
But I really like the backup camera. It's a huge monitor here. That really
is.
makes a big difference.
Helen Keller could see that camera. Yikes. That thing is huge.
Yeah, and a little area right here for a laptop for the passenger seat area, which is nice. But yeah, the seats are in really good condition. All the upholstery is in really good condition on this coach.
The driver's area here is really nice. Adjustable pedals, smart wheel, HWH hydraulic leveling jacks, Allison 6-speed 3000, of course, 2-stage Jake brake on the 400 ISL. Yeah, it's laid out really nice. Got some storage in the center console down below. No smells. I mean, nice clean coach.
Yeah, yeah, it passed our test, so
Yeah.
no bad smells is always the first test, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, again, we appreciate you watching the videos.
Yes,
Hit the subscribe button.
it's free.
Thanks.
Thank you.